Hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 side hustles you can do from home to earn some extra money. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or just want some extra cash, these side hustles are perfect for anyone who wants to earn money from the comfort of their own home. So let's get started. Freelance writing. One of the best ways to make money from home is by freelance writing. There are plenty of websites that offer freelance writing jobs, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can write blog posts, articles, or even ebooks for clients and get paid for your work. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students. You can find tutoring jobs on websites like Chegg and TutorMe. You can set your own rates and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can offer administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs from the comfort of your own home. You can perform tasks like data entry, email management, and social media management. You can find virtual assistant jobs on websites like Virtual Assistant Jobs and Upwork. Social media management. If you're skilled at managing social media accounts, you can offer your services to businesses and entrepreneurs. You can help them create and manage their social media accounts and grow their online presence. You can find social media management jobs on websites like Upwork and Freelancer. Sell products online. You can sell products online through websites like Etsy, Amazon, and eBay. You can sell handmade crafts, digital products, or even products you no longer need. With the right marketing strategies, you can make a good profit from selling products online. Transcription. If you have good listening and typing skills, you can offer transcription services to clients. You can transcribe audio or video files into text format for clients. You can find transcription jobs on websites like Rev and TranscribeMe. Website design. If you have experience in web design, you can offer your services to businesses and entrepreneurs. You can design and develop websites and earn a good income from your skills. You can find web design jobs on websites like Upwork and Freelancer. Graphic design. If you have skills in graphic design, you can offer your services to clients. You can create logos, brochures, flyers, and other marketing materials for businesses and entrepreneurs. You can find graphic design jobs on websites like 99 Designs and Upwork. Online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer online coaching services to clients. You can coach clients on topics like fitness, nutrition, and personal development. You can find coaching jobs on websites like Coach.me and Udemy. Pet sitting. If you love animals, you can offer pet sitting services to clients. You can take care of pets while their owners are away and earn money for your services. You can find pet sitting jobs on websites like Rover and Wag. So there you have it. 10 side hustles you can do from home to earn some extra money. Whether you have skills in writing, tutoring, social media management, or other areas, there's something for everyone on this list. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your side hustles.